My name's Paul Jason and I'm the motorcycle broker, and we have for sale here this stunning restoration of a 1972 Kawasaki Z1 900. They only made 4,850 of these. We didn't do the restoration, but I would say it's pretty much as close as us doing it. The attention to detail is phenomenal. Yes, it does have the correct mirrors there in a box. Yes, it does have the correct carbs. It's wearing different carbs, but it comes with the original carbs all fully rebuilt. The attention to detail is phenomenal. They spent over 18,000 in parts. Now, this has been done on new old stock Kawasaki parts. It's a stunning, beautiful piece of work. The colour is dead right. People very rarely get this right. It's absolutely right. The paint colour and the correct pattern on the tank and the tailpiece, everything is perfect with that. It's got the black foam seat, it's got the chain oiler, it's got the correct date stamps on every single component. Everything is perfect on this motorcycle. It's absolutely beautiful. It's at 0 miles now, but it has been started and run. It's all ready to go. It's one of the best ones we've ever seen.
Oh boy. Oh boy. Wake up in the morning with a vision in my head. Look downtown on the river, boys. Start bound for a good time ride. Put him undercover for your heartfelt pride. Oh boy. Speed out of Dutchess where the journey is concerned. He cranked the wheels and his reputation burned. Take my love, I'm home again. So mama took control as they struggle through the rain. Oh, take my love, I'm home again. Oh, wake me up when oh boy come in. Don't look up till I get back. Spiders making houses in a rundown shack. You got the trouble and I got the crime. Sitting on your money is a waste of time. Oh, you got the trouble and I got the crime. Oh, sitting on your money is a waste of time. Oh, don't look up till I get back. Oh, spiders making houses in a rundown shack. Oh, take my love, oh boy again. Oh, wake me up when oh boy come in.
So that's the 1972 Kawasaki Z1 900 for sale at the Motorcycle Broker. Feel free to click the link below this video and it'll take you through to the page for the motorcycle. There's a contact form there, fill it out and we'll contact you at a convenient time. My name's Paul Jason and I'm the Motorcycle Broker.